The Create tool defines what tool is used for the toolpaths to follow. Click Create Tool. A cutter library does not exist until new tools are used or until a library created by another user is imported. Once a library exists inside the Cutter Group box, click the machining type to filter listed tools by cutting operation. The list can be filtered further by clicking the cutter type. Next to each cutter, a Delete Cutter from Library option is available. Toggle the library off to define new cutter parameters based on the selected machining and cutter types and add it to the library. Click the Arbor Group box. Click Enable to use an arbor to hold and secure the tool. A library is built as arbors are used for tools. Once a library exists, toggle it off to define a new arbor. Name the arbor and define the revolve X and Z values. X defines the diameter and Z defines the length of the node. To define additional points, click Add Point. Click the Holder Group box. Click Enable to use a holder to secure the cutter. A library is built as holders are used for tools. Once a library exists, toggle it off to define a new holder. Name the holder and define the revolve X and Z values. To define additional points, click Add Point. Click the Assembly Group box. Set a unique assembly number to identify the tool in the machine. This value is not linked to the tool library and needs set again when used in other jobs. Edit the number at any time without duplicating the tool assembly. Click OK to accept the tool. Click the ellipsis to access the tool's context menu with options to edit, duplicate, suppress, or delete. Check the box to the left of a tool to toggle its visibility in the graphics area. Accepted tools add the defined cutter arbor and holder to their libraries for future use.